Hi guys, are you still waiting for project on Fiverr and other freelancing websites like Upwork and Guru? Are you still waiting? Then really sorry for that. These websites are much more time consuming and frustrating, so don't waste your precious time on these websites. Me as a freelancer don't recommend you to waste your time on Fiverr and other freelancing websites that you have listened from your buddies and upliners to do so. Firstly, took a glance on Fiverr, so I'm sharing my Fiverr portfolio with you all to take a look why I'm neglecting you to make gigs on Fiverr. The whole process is to make gigs on Fiverr and then wait for your first order to move further. On Fiverr from last 4 months to get my first order, but all of a none is here. Day after day you have to take headaches to overcome your first order, but the fact is behind the scene that you have to buy your first order with your own money. Here is a strategy named as pay by cash, through which you can get paid for fake reviews and fake order to get in rank of Fiverr methodologies. So Fiverr as a freelancing agency is too good for old workers and also for those who joined this platform earlier since 2016, but now it's time consuming and very hard process to grow your account on Fiverr. Going day by day you are wasting your time that is worth coming process. So I don't recommend you to join Fiverr and these other platforms to join as a beginner, and don't waste your time for God's sake.